Are you thinking of entering a new market on an unfamiliar platform? Stay with us for the next few minutes, and we might be able to help you. Remember, if you want an insider's guide to the world of Forex trading, including weekly market analysis videos, how-to guides, and more, make sure you subscribe to the Blueberry Markets YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to take your Forex game to the next level. In this video, we'll walk you through placing an order on MT5, particularly shares. Blueberry Markets has 250 shares available on MT5, which includes 200 Australian shares and 50 of the top US shares. You can look through them in your Market Watch, which will be on the left side of your MT5 platform. To view this, go to View, then click Market Watch. You will then see all the products we currently offer. In case that method didn't work for you, simply right-click on any of the products on Market Watch and click Show All. All the shares will be in gray, as opposed to currencies, which are in blue. Next, to see the complete details of a particular share, simply hover on one and you'll see it right away. If you want to bring up the chart for your chosen share, right-click on it and choose Chart Window. Now that you know how to navigate through the products, it's time to place your order. You can access an order box by double-clicking on your chosen share. Alternatively, you can open its chart and click F9. Under Type, choose Market Execution, then fill in all the necessary details to complete your order. Entering a standard lot is equivalent to purchasing or selling 100 shares. The commission charge will be $4 per lot, and the margin is fixed at 1:5. Let's apply it on our example. One lot of Tesla is currently at $617.75 per share. Your contract value would be $617.75, and you would need at least 20% of that contract value in margin to place a trade of that size, which in this case is $12,355. Keep in mind that this is just an example. In MT5, you can trade for as little as 0.01 of a contract, which is equivalent to buying or selling one share. It is also important to note that purchasing one lot or 100 shares is equivalent to $1 per point, with 1 point being a cent move in the share price. Once you're done filling all the fields, click on the corresponding button depending if you want to go long or short in the market. And that's it. Time to sit back and watch your trade move. It's that easy. What else do you want to learn about MT5 trading? Share it with us in the comments section. If you also liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications, so you never miss a video from us. You can also create a live account with us by heading to our website. Please also follow us on our social media, links can be found below.